everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this is Natalie, and in today's video we're going to be discussing all about Serpstat. But before we go ahead and do that, let me just give you a quick information about what we have here in Serpstat.com. So as you can see, I am on the Serpstat landing page, and on the left side you would see an offer that states that you can get an instantly actionable free SEO audit in less than a minute. So if you're interested in taking advantage of this offer, all you need to do is to just fill in this information needed on the text boxes and then click on this get your free audit button. And then another thing, if you scroll down a little, you would see that there is actually a free guide that should show you how Surface is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So if you also want to take advantage of this, all you need to do is to just input your first name, your email address, and then, of course, if you want to subscribe to our Surface mailing list so that you can get updates sent straight to your email address, then please click on this box right here. And then finally, click on this Find Out How button. So, having said all of those, so much for our introduction. Let me switch on to the Serpstat dashboard, which is what we have on the screen right now. And for this specific video, we'll be discussing about keyword clustering and text analysis. So, as you can see, there are no projects yet, and we actually have to create one to start the analysis. However, let me just give a quick heads up that this tool would also correspond to some credits being charged. That's why we might not be able to fully utilize the tool, but I still want to show you, I still want to give you an idea of how you can set up a project and utilize this tool. So basically, clustering is grouping keywords in the same group or cluster, of course. So all you need to do is click on that and then enter a title or enter a project name and then a domain, but that one is optional. A search engine, if you want that to be Google. Alright, so we are removing Yandex from Serpstat. Be sure to export the data you need. It will be available after October. So, it seems that the only search engine available would be Google, so that one. Click on that one, and then select a country of your choice. So, for us, if we're gonna be doing this, would be clicking on the United Kingdom, as we are UK based, and then region, city, and as for this, let's see. Strength is connection strength refers to the number of common pages in the top 30 search results for analyzed keywords. So the weak requires fewer common pages and the strong requires more. Cluster type, on the other hand, is if you select a soft type, keywords are added to a cluster when they match at least one keyword in the search results. With a hard type, all keywords must have common URL. The cluster will include fewer keywords but with greater accuracy. So here is the part where you add in the keywords. So you can also import them. You can type them manually or you can import them if ever you have them on a separate file, maybe a notepad or any file that can be read by this system. So you can also choose to skip invalid keywords. So the option selects keywords that do not meet the requirements. Keywords consisting only of symbols, numbers, double spaces, punctuation marks, etc. will not be added to the list. So they have a specific requirement of what are the valid keywords that they can process. So that's a good pointer to keep in mind when you are creating a clustering project. So keywords will be added to the project 0 as of yet. So because we haven't entered anything yet. So keyword cost for clustering, that is actually 5 credits. So one keyword is equals to 5 credits. So if you inputted a lot, then you would be charged corresponding credits. So that's 5 credits per keyword. And then you can see here, they would notify you on how many keywords or how many credits rather that you still have. But because this is just an overview video / tutorial, we will not be proceeding with this one, but just to give you an overall idea of how to create a clustering project. This is how you can do it. So it would show here just how much credits will be charged onto you. So if you are done here, then you can click on save, and then the analysis the back part will begin. So Right here, we are actually done with this tool. So everything that you've seen is how you can create a clustering project. So I hope that helped. If you're interested, of course, in doing or in experiencing this tool firsthand, just head on over to serpstat.com and then do the needful and utilize this tool. So you can find that on the sidebar right here, just right under local SEO. So you see keyword cluttering and text analysis right there. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and please stay tuned in for all the other videos that we'll be uploading on this series. And yeah, see you guys.